All right, so I'm checking out this Dehydrator. It's kind of a compact size, but it's got several layers. And one thing to note about these layers is that when you first get it, it's actually in compacted storage mode, so the layers are closer together. And the way that you actually adjust it is by, not by turning them upside down, but by twisting them 90 degrees. So, see when they're compacted, they're closer together like this, but then when you twist them 90 degrees, they actually sit on top of each other a little bit better. That allows some more space between the layers. So I'm going to be throwing some apple slices on here, and I sprinkled them with cinnamon. Got a little bit too much cinnamon on some of these, but I'm going to lay these out and see how many layers it takes, and then start up and see how long it takes to dehydrate them. All right, I got all these apple slices laid out, and they fit all on 2 trays. This was one kind of medium, large-ish sized apple, but sliced really, really thinly. So just keep that in mind. It does give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe 5 trays. So you can easily do like 2 or 3 apples more if you don't slice them quite as thin as I did. But we're just going to stack these up. And once again, make sure you stack them the right way so that you leave enough room between there. And then I'm going to put the lid on. And you don't need to use all the extra layers, but you can just use the layers that you're using. We're going to push the button temp time, I believe. Maybe power first. Now temp time. And we're going to change it to 6 hours for apples. And change the temperature to 145. And it'll click on automatically. And we'll check back in 6 hours. All right, so this is almost done. So I wanted to kind of show you what it looks like as it's finishing up. It has less than a minute left, so maybe we can catch it as it finishes and see what it does there. But here's what the apples are looking like. That cinnamon just kind of like is laying on top. And like I said, I probably put way too much cinnamon on these, but you can see the apples are dry. And we'll see how they taste and how rubbery or... Okay. That's what it does when it's done. It beeps at you, it says end, so there's no question there that the time is finally elapsed. So we're going to open this up and take a bite of these. These smell good, and even while they were still cooking, even within just like an hour of them being cooked, you really could tell, not cooked, but you know, dehydrated, you really could tell the aroma of the cinnamon was all around the house. And we're going to try these out. So, that's good. Cinnamon apples. They're dry in the sense that you don't have much moisture in them. They're not crispy. They're not like chips. They're not like apple chips. They're slightly rubbery. But yeah, dried apples with cinnamon flavor. I'd say they're good. So yeah, if you're looking for a dehydrator, this one's kind of like a compact one. Smaller ones, it's smaller than ones that I've used in the past. It comes with 5 trays. So, like I said, 2 trays was able to do 1 small-ish, kind of medium-sized apple. So, but that was very, very thinly sliced. So yeah, if you're looking for a compact food dehydrator, this might be what you're looking for. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.